with over 145 years of global dairy expertise. Nestle has long since been a leader in food and nutrition. After entering India back in 1912, it has redefined various quality standards and continued setting benchmarks in safety and hygiene with all its products. The state-of-the-art facility at Samalkha, which was set up way back in 1992, has already been awarded as the best Nestle nutrition factory globally and is an epitome of Nestle's global quality standards. With annual productions surpassing 55,000 tons for infant formula, the amount of fresh milk the Samalkha factory procures on a daily basis is well over 200,000 liters.
For milk, we have a network of more than 1 lakh farmers managed by a dedicated team of veterinary doctors, guiding farmers on animal health and genetics, judicious use of antibiotics, higher quality of feed, and improving farm economics.
Nestle India Limited started its milk collection operations in Haryana in 1996 onwards. We started with the concept of sustainability in operations and secondly giving back to the society.
Nestle's association with the society has enabled establishment of large modern dairy farms producing thousands of liters of milk in a day.
I am from agriculture background. It took me 15 years to start this, but I just had this dream. I just want to start dairy. It's been 2 years. We are in the production, milk production, and it took 8 months in the construction. From 2 years till now, we are associated with Nestle. Nestle only taught us everything regarding the quality. They taught us how you can keep your animal healthy, and healthy animal only can give healthy milk.
With this concept, many new modern farms have been enrolled in our system, and today at present 30% of milk which we are procuring is directly coming from the big large farmers.
मैं यहाँ 2 सालों से काम करता हूँ। कुछ गायें हैं जिनकी मिल्किंग करने में दिक्कत होती है और कुछ गायों के साथ मज़ा आ रहा है, मशीनों के साथ काम करने में अच्छा लगता है।
Nestle's FMPDD team works hand in hand with small farmers too to ensure that the best quality milk is procured while improving the quality of life of these farmers.
मैं गाँव नेड़े का रहने वाला हूँ और हमारे पास 3 गायें हैं और 1 भैंस है दूध वाली। इनका दूध मैं नेस्ले को देता हूँ जी 15 साल से। हम सवेरे 4 बजे उठते हैं जी। 4 बजे उठने के बाद में भैंसों को नहलाते हैं और नहलाने के बाद में उनको चारा डालते हैं। उसके बाद फिर अपना दूध निकालना शुरू कर देते हैं। और हमारे परिवार में 7 लोग हैं जी, 7 सदस्य हैं। बच्चे तो अपनी पढ़ाई का काम करते हैं जी और हम अपने खेती बाड़ी का काम करते हैं।
I find my job more interesting because I am regularly interacting with the farmers and educating them about all the parameters of the quality. We provide farmers veterinary aid. For that purpose, we use to reach farmers at their doorstep. We prescribe medicine and sometimes if there is requirement, we also treat the animal.
For small farmers whose only source of income is from cow's milk, this veterinary aid proves to be extremely crucial.
डॉक्टर भी आते हैं, समय पर दवाई भी देते हैं और हमारी पेमेंट भी समय पर हो जाती है।
Specific educational programs are conducted for these farmers through the Farmers Connect initiative, including veterinary camps, village women dairy development programs, and farmer meetings.
In the veterinary camp, we prescribe free medicines to all the farmers present in the meeting. I'll start from my home, you say at around early in the 2, 3. If our team is unable to provide the support to the farmers who is supplying the milk to us, it would hamper the trust of our company, that is Nestle, among the farmers.
So this is a quite challenging job to select the farmers whether he is fit for our system or not.
Every time I have new challenges, I have new ideas generation.
The milk is collected from farmers by milk collection and chilling agencies that are located within the villages itself. Nestle works hand in hand with milk agents on setting up this infrastructure.
2004 से पहले मैं एक छोटा फार्मर था। मैं नेस्ले कंपनी को दूध देता था और मेरे को कूलिंग टैंक दे दिया गया है। अब कूलिंग टैंक लगने के बाद मेरे फार्मर बढ़ गए और मेरी दूध की मात्रा 300 से 350 kg हो गई पर डे।
Milk collected here is immediately chilled below 4 degrees Celsius in farm cooling tanks and thoroughly tested for basic quality parameters.
मैं नेस्ले की मिल्किंग टेस्टिंग करता हूं और सबसे पहले टेम्परेचर चेक करते हैं और उसके बाद अल्कोहल टेस्टिंग होती है।
नेस्ले का दूध वाला टैंकर 7 साल से चला रहा हूं और इसमें सेफ्टी का और ड्राइविंग का 1 साल में 2 बार 6 महीने के बाद ट्रेनिंग दी जाती है।
We also need to visit the agency at this early hours and to monitor whether the agent is following all the guidelines and the procedures which are being set to maintain the quality, to have a proper traceability from fork to the farm level.
Traceability is maintained at all levels to trace back any raw material supplied which might be below Nestle standards and prerequisites. Any milk which is found to be non-compliant is summarily rejected and is traced back to the farmer, where appropriate corrective action is initiated to ensure that subsequent supplies are compliant. The next stop for the milk is the factory. High-quality insulated stainless steel tankers collect the milk from various agencies and transport the same to the Samalkha factory. The milk is then tested for about 70 parameters before being released for production. Through this unique initiative of hand-holding the farmers, training them and helping them gear up for the most stringent of quality parameters, Nestle has created an expansive milk procurement network spread across Haryana, Punjab and Rajasthan. Spanning over 2 decades since the inception of the Samalkha facility, this initiative has impacted the lives of almost 1 lakh farmers.
Not only we are taking milk to them, but also we are adding value to their system.
यू नस्ले का उदन तब आया ना उदन तब मारे अच्छे तो डंगर दूध देवा अच्छे मारे डंगर चारा खावा अच्छे मारा दूध बना अच्छे मारता पेमेंट देवा.
It's very interesting and challenging for me because it is not a monotonous job.
मेरे को 7 साल हो गए नेस्ले के साथ जुड़े हुए और मुझे अच्छा लगता है नेस्ले में काम करना.
मेरा मन करता है कि नेस्ले में जुड़े रहूं और नेस्ले का काम करता हूं.
गाय की देखभाल बहुत सुंदरता से होती है और इनको सही ढंग से रखते हैं. हमारी दिमाग की टेंशन गाय के काम करने से खत्म हो जाती है.
Because of Nestle only I came to know about this quality of milk.
There is a complete transparency with this. The farmers, they have 20 years of association with Nestle and they are feeling a part of our company.
These efforts, measures, practices and initiatives have constantly been helping Nestle procure the very best in quality of fresh milk for their infant formula products, in addition to creating shared value in the society that it exists in.